want to do this quick video showing you what I got in my Ipsy glam bag. I'm going to try to do it quick because they're doing construction and there's a lot of noise going on, so let's get moving. So first of all, look at this bag. This is like the first time I didn't have time to like do a sneak peek to see what I was getting. It feels so soft. It's just beautiful. Wow, perfect for February. Open it up and let's see what we got. This is the little pamphlet that we get, and it just says feel the love. Gives you a sneak peek of what we're getting. First item I have here is a highlighter. My god, like I wish they would send me a highlighter every single time, but they don't. K-Voss, New York City. Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter in Moonlight. It says it's made in China. It's 8.11 ounce. Let's open it up. I'm excited for this. Alright, the packaging is cute. It's black with pink and it just says Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter. Certified vegan too. Sorry I couldn't like do like a try on style, but like I said, it's a miracle that it's like silent for even a second here. But oh, if you like this look, I know you guys requested it like a Valentine's inspired, so here you go. If this video goes up first, I'll put it so you guys can watch it if you're interested. Add this. It looks like a beautiful shade. It's cold outside, but that dull your glow. Say hello to the silkiest highlighter ever. This powder blends into the skin like butter, while light reflecting pearl pink pigments that make your cheekbones and the high points of your face pop. Swatch it right away, you can see that it's like a pinky. Wow, does that look beautiful? Loving that it comes with a mirror too. Wow, that does look very pretty. That looks like a beautiful shade. Let me know what you guys got in comments too. Wow, that looks pretty. I can't wait to wear this and try it. Blinding. I've never heard of this brand. They also sent me a Tarte kit in liquid liner. I've never tried this. This is so cute. If you're obsessed with cats, you're gonna die for this. Just look at that. Tarte sex kit in liquid liner in black. Date night, girls night. This baby creates liner looks for every occasion. This fast drying formula smear proofs, budge proof, and everything else proof for up to 12 hours. You know I'm testing this out in another video. Soft flex tip gives a ton of control, making it easy to draw crisp lines and dramatic flicks. Plus it's vegan and cruelty free, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like. I remember when I just started YouTube, I would say that I would never use pens like this, but it's all practice. I was used to like a brush applicator more, but now I'm getting the hang of this. Wow, that is beautiful in black. Look at that. Basically almost sent me a liquid liner every single time, and I love that because it's my favorite. I love it. I use it every day. Got something here. This is like the best bag that I have received in a long time. I'm so happy. So this is by The Balm, and this is the Auto Balm Girl Power Cheeks on the Go. Always excited with a product from The Balm. This matte finish blush. Ooh. Versatile peachy pink. Okay. Thank you very much. I love a peach blush. You guys know that. Goes from work to weekend. It's long lasting, blends with no streaks, and totally buildable. See? Oh. Look how cute. Perfect for traveling. I think I've ever tried a blush from The Balm. Only like their eyeshadows and probably their highlighters. That looks like a beautiful peach. Ooh, can you see that? That looks perfect. Perfect. I even got a foundation that I was thinking of buying a while ago, but I just didn't. This is from the brand Pure, and it's the 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer. The only other foundation that I have that's like foundation and concealer is from Stila. I think I did a video on it and it's like one of my favorites. So 4-in-1 foundation multitasks almost as well as you do. It immediately conceals, corrects, and blurs imperfections with a full coverage pigment. You know I love full coverage. While simultaneously helping to improve skin health with a cocktail of antioxidants, rich vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts. Okay, that I didn't know. I love that. That reminds me like of It Cosmetics because they love to do like skincare with makeup. So we'll definitely give this one a try. And this is a 0.2 ounce. What did they send me? LN2. It says anti-pollution, cruelty-free, vegan friendly. Light defense as well. So it comes nicely sealed. I don't know what my dog is doing. Frankie, what are you doing? Okay. Oh, that looks like a really, really good color. Look at that. And it does look super full coverage. Can't wait. Can't wait. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video just like trying this one out. I don't know why I didn't end up getting it. Maybe the reviews were like off or something. Right, and then I got this. This looks very pretty. I don't know how you say this brand. This is Calici Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser, and it looks really pretty, like silky or something. And this is a 0.5 ounce. Alright, two things we can't start our day without: our hot latte and this. Oh my god, now I want a latte. I'm totally going to Starbucks after this. Our hot latte and this coffee infused gel cleanser does it all. Removes makeup, deep cleanse pores, gently exfoliates, and helps brighten skin too. All thanks to coffee, which also boosts circulation and reduces inflammation and signs of sun damage. This is a deluxe sample, so I'll definitely be trying that. Completely closed. Really smell anything right now. The only thing I'm smelling is this lip gloss from Fenty Beauty because it's so sweet. Love everything. They gave me a foundation, a blush, highlighter, a cleanser, like golden. I'm so happy. So happy. Thank you Ipsy for such amazing products this month. Let me know if you got similar products or what did you guys get. Are you disappointed with this month's bag? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.